Assalamualaikum to Sir Fauzi. My name is Nunazratun Nazima and my group member is Hu Ashraf Azrai, Muhammad Taufiq, Tuan Muhammad Amirul Amri and Sadatu Shakira. We are from Group F who would like to present about the design and simulation work of a 3-phase inverter. Firstly, I would like to explain about the abstract part. In this project has discussed about 3-phase inverter, and 3-phase inverter are widely used to control different industrial process. In power electronic, base inverter are very common for quick response and accurate control, and they also generate a 3-phase AC output from a DC supply. And in this paper, we are using a 120-degree mode operation and a simulation and test result of the inverter 3-phase resistive as well as inductive load has been presented by using PSIM software. The aim of this paper is to design and simulate the 3-phase inverter on test result of waveform that are shown in terms of voltage each switch, line to line and line to natural output voltage, and lastly the current in phase of for an RL load.
My name is Sadatu Shakira. I would like to present the objective of this project. Okay, first objective is to design and simulate 3-phase inverter through 6-step inverter. Second is to measure power electricity on the 3-phase inverter circuit. And lastly is to demonstrate the effective project management skill to solve the problem given.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, my name is Tuan Muhammad Amirul Amri bin Tuan Zainal Abidin. Okay, I will present about material and metal. So for this assignment, we use PSIM software. The PSIM software is used as the main tool to design 3-phase inverter as shown in result and discussions. The result from the simulation can see in the result and discussion. PSIM is the suitable tool for inverter modeling since there are many applications can be applied in designing the project. Hence, there is also design toolbox to analyze the simulation result. So, the method before we simulate the circuit. First, title are given. We research about the title and analysis the data. After that, we identify method for use in this assignment. Then, developing the assignment design using proposed method. After that, we design and simulation using PSIM. So after the simulation and design, we result that occur, we conclude. So the last one is the conclusion. Okay, next, this is the flowchart for 3-phase inverter. Okay. Okay, first when we start design the circuit at PSIM software, voltage probe and current probe we put and we check the connection of the circuit. After that, we run and simulate the circuit. For the output, we can choose what the output that can we want to present. So the output we display. Then we relate the waveform that occur is correct or not. If not correct, we continue back to put the voltage probe and current probe. If the waveform is correct with the theory, so the data collected. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Taufiq bin Bahan. the next presenter to present about the result and discussion. Okay, for this is the circuit diagram for the three-phase inverter. By using six-step inverter, that is consists of six switch. We are using switch MOSFET switch, six MOSFET switch, three resistor, three inductor, which is the RL load, and 20 volt of VDC. Okay, next for the output waveform, this is the output waveform for switching sequence for 6-step output. Okay, this is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 6, step 4, step 5, step 6. This output waveform is from this probe, voltage probe, every switch. Okay, next for the line to output voltage, this is the output waveform. Okay, then for the line to line output voltage, this is measured by from VBC, VAB, dan VCA. Okay, this is output for VAB, VBC, VCA. For the VAB, the voltage probe is touched from node A and node B. Okay, next, this is for the line to neutral output voltage for ungrounded Y connected load. This is the output waveform for the RL load. So this is VAN, VBN, and VCN respectively. This is VAN, VBN, and this is VCN. Okay, next for the output waveform for line to neutral currents in all phase. This is the output currents waveform for IA, IB, and IC. And this is the combination of three output waveform of current. So we can look here, the mode operation is 120 degree of mode operation. So firstly, first A is 0, start with 0, start from 0, and IB start from negative 120 degrees, and phase C start from 120 degrees. Okay, next for the line to neutral currents and voltage in phase A. So this is the line current, line to neutral current, and this is the VAN. This is the line to neutral current and voltage in phase B. And finally the line to neutral current and voltage in phase C. Okay, for the discussion, the MOSFET switch are closed and open in the sequence by following the angle interval that has been set up. Each switch has a 50% duty ratio, which is not allowing blinking time. This output waveform, this is for the example that's not allowing the blinking time. There is no blinking time. And every T per 6 time interval or 60 degree angle intervals take place a switching action as shown in figure above. The S1 and S4 switch close and open opposite one another, as do the S2, S5, and S3 and S6 switch. The line to line output voltage of VAB, VBC, and VCA are positive VDC, 0, or negative VDC. Beside that, the voltage over each phase of the load is aligned to neutral voltage, which is the most common load connection. Therefore, the third harmonic and the third multiples are not existing, and they are not even harmonics. The HD of the load current formula has shown below. The HD is equal to square root of sum of n equal 2 times In RMS. 2 times In square RMS divided by I1 RMS, where current load In is equal to L minus Vn L minus N divided by Zn. Okay.
For this project, first is we get from design and implementation of three-phase inverter operate with the different condition mode. 2019 International Conference on Robotic, Electrical and Signal Processing Technique, from page 346 to 349. Okay, the last reference is named by commonly used power and converting equation. Okay, next, the last bit is an arrangement. Okay, for this project, we want to express our gratitude to our lecturer IRTS Dr. Muhammad Fauzi bin Ibrahim for his being guided, good advice and detail about this project. This project lead us to take undertaking to a lot of research and would make us learn more about this project. And lastly, we would like to thank you to all our member groups for their cooperated, hardworking and effort for hardworking and effort for completing this project. I think this is all from our group. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ku Ashraf Azrai bin Hussein. Okay, the last part of this project conclusion. Okay, as our conclusion, we able to design and simulate three-phase inverter through system inverter that convert the DC input voltage into AC voltage. Okay, next we also able to measure power electricity on the three-phase inverter circuit using approximate formula. Okay, lastly, we able to demonstrate project management skill in solving given problem by building block diagram and flowchart to perform work. That's all for our group. Thank you.